From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Tucker Antico with your Wednesday morning forecast. Here's a look outside at Beaver Stadium right now, and as you can see, these clouds are moving out and the blue sky is now moving in. A little bit chilly if you're out there this morning. Temperatures right now around 30 degrees, and chilly is 19 as our feels like temperature, thanks to the 16-mile-per-hour northwest wind. Look across the state right now, and you can see these gusty winds are not just in our area. We have gusts up to 29 in Johnstown, 28 here in State College, and in the southeast, 29 in Harrisburg, 22 in Philadelphia. So windy this morning. Hold on to your hats if you're walking around outside. As we get into the temperatures, 30 here in State College, like I said. Chillier in the northwest, 22 in Bradford, 23 here in Franklin and Erie, 27. Much warmer in the southeast, though. Philadelphia is sitting at 45 degrees. Allentown's at 44, and we have 39 here in Harrisburg. Looking at the rest of the region right now, 38 here in Boston, 45 in Philadelphia is actually the warmest point in the entire region, and Burlington, further north, of course, cold 24 degrees, Syracuse 23. Let's look at the rest of the state, and as we get through the rest of the day, not warming up much. 34 is looking to be our high here in State College, and in the mid-20s up here in the northwest. Pittsburgh's going to reach freezing today, and still warmer in the southeast. 41 here in Philadelphia, 39 in Harrisburg. Moving into tomorrow and overnight, cooling off to be around 23 degrees here in State College. We're going to reach the teens here in the northwest, 15 here in Bradford and 18 in DuBois. It's still warmer in the southeast, but really getting cold all around. And then as we get into tomorrow, it'll be a similar story. Temperatures just reaching freezing here in State College, and not warming up much anywhere else. Moving into Friday, overnight lows sitting here in the 20s. And then as we look at our current weather right now, you might have noticed this morning there was some frozen precipitation on the ground. That's thanks to this line of flurries that was moving through. But really a few breaks in the clouds, not much else going on in the state right now. And even in the region, as you can see here, quiet weather. A few clouds out here in the Midwest and north of Mid-Atlantic, but really not a lot going on. A quiet day for this side of the country for sure. As you look at the rest of the day, we're looking at partly cloudy skies for the most part. As you can see, there's a pretty well-defined clouds and sun line right here. If we're lucky, this will stay further west, and we might get sunnier skies for most of the day, but my bet right now is we're looking at partly cloudy skies for the most part. A few flurries here near Pittsburgh and Johnstown. But as we go overnight, those will move out and more clouds will move in. Though by the time you wake up tomorrow, skies might be clear, and you might not even notice any of that. Moving through the rest of tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, mostly sunny skies rather. A few more clouds in the afternoon and overnight tomorrow night, but really clearing up for the rest of the region into Friday and Saturday morning. Looking at the temperatures for today, 34 degrees will be our high, partly cloudy skies, windy in the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, very similar, high temperatures, 33 degrees, maybe a little more sun, maybe a little bit less wind, so it'll feel a bit warmer out there. And as you look into the rest of the week, we're looking at temperatures reaching 44 and 50 degrees Friday and Saturday. Like I said, clearing up Friday, but rain moves in Saturday evening. Despite temperatures skyrocketing to around 50 degrees. Rain continues into Sunday, still warm, and then as we get into Monday, it cools off, highs around 36 degrees, and a few snow showers throughout the day before cooling off further on into Tuesday and the rest of next week. From the Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Tucker Antico. Have a great day.